Hi, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will tell you how to post on X without Grok. So first of all, let's open X on my phone, and you need to basically go to your settings. At the home page, you want to tap your profile picture at the top left, and then scroll to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Privacy and Safety section, scroll to Data Sharing and Personalization, and then you want to enter finally section Grok and third-party collaborators. So here you want to select or deselect the option to allow your public data as well as your interactions, inputs and results with Grok and XAI to be used for training and fine-tuning. So you want to have this function disabled if you don't want to post on X with Grok. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.